not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into mine.
Good morning, guys. We outside. It's actually 12 o'clock in the afternoon, but we're outside. We're here. I decided to film a maintenance vlog for you guys. This week I have so many appointments to keep up with, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me because I know you guys like stuff like this. I'm actually on the way to get my lips touched up. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I get hyaluronic pen lips, I guess you can say. I mean, a lot of people have their own opinions about it, but for me,
turn right.
But for me, it really works really well. I just like to stick to what I know, so yeah. And they look so freaking natural, but I just wanted to fill in one of the sides, like touch it up. I'm going to meet one of my best friends today, and it's her first time getting it done, so I wanted to film it for you guys just so you guys can see like how it really looks on natural lips, because my lips are pretty natural, but I've gotten it done like 3 times. So yeah, my lips are very plump. Probably show you guys a before and after picture of when I got it done the very first time, but I did make a video on that as well. I'll link it down below if you guys want to see that. I'm so excited. I actually have to do my nails today as well. I'm going to do my hair. I'm also going to do lashes probably in a week or so, but I just wanted to bring you guys along with me, have you guys hang out with me. And yeah, like this video if you guys like videos like this, so I know to make more. And also don't forget to subscribe down below. But yeah, I'll see you guys in there. I know, what the hell? Twins? Twinsies?
I'm nervous.
Don't be. First step, drink all your water. Okay,
Yes.
let's figure out where to go because I forgot.
Yeah?
Yeah. I was like, can you please hold my hand?
Aww.
Supporting my girl, of course.
Edit all of this.
So with this, it's mostly just the pressure of the pen making the incision and helping the filler go in. You felt it at all? There's
It's just the anticipation.
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
some numbing now.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. Is my secret safe? Safe with just you and me.
How's it?
How was that?
You felt it? Does it hurt? See?
Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming.
Ooh. You look really good, actually. Look.
Oh,
Wow.
I love them.
You look so good.
I love them. Oh,
She got us right, y'all.
I claps. All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I know how to play your thing. Yeah, that makes me look at you too out there.
My tattoo.
Kobe, guys. Come to Swan Nails.
In my space, baby, I'm late, but I can check in with you. I know that I need my friend. I wouldn't wanna leave, you know. I wouldn't wanna bleed, but my body.
Good morning.
We're here. Doing the damn thing. Okay, wait, where do you normally park? Middle? So much hair. So basically I designed the salon.
It's literally what you would say. Can you say it?
I like where this is going.
So cute in here.
Wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my body
She's a model.
Wow.
Tori's stripped out.
I was good with that filter.
Hi guys! I started filming this maintenance vlog and then some of my appointments didn't follow through. So it's actually a few weeks later. I get so many questions about this step that I'm going to do right now, but I never showed you guys how I do it, and I actually get so many questions about how I keep my teeth super white. So the main thing that helps me keep my teeth white is definitely getting my teeth cleaned more than usual. I was getting my teeth cleaned every 3 months, and I always felt like the more I cleaned my teeth professionally, then got teeth whitening, it lasted way longer. Once a month I would get my teeth whitened. I go to this place where they have organic teeth whitening, so they don't actually use a super strong chemical that actually strips your teeth of your enamel. This organic whitening actually adds to your enamel, so your teeth feel way stronger after getting it done. You can get it more often and you won't have like super sensitive teeth, and you won't have that translucent looking teeth after doing it so many times. I haven't gotten it done in a little while, but my teeth always last so long, and I got it to the whitest that it can get. So the only problem is when you have super white teeth, it gets stained more easily. So I like to upkeep with it. I definitely love doing this routine right here. I'm going to show you guys what I do. So for the first step for my home routine is to brush your teeth, of course. I like to floss before I brush. Flossing is definitely so important. And I like to go in and use this toothpaste right here. This is the Crest Brilliance. This is so good to keep your teeth white. I use an electric toothbrush that I got from Amazon. Electric toothbrushes I feel like work so much better in keeping your teeth white. So next I'll go in with some whitening boosters, and these are really good at like giving you that full experience of getting your teeth white. I don't use this all the time, but you can add this with your toothpaste if you're already brushing your teeth, but I feel like this works so much better on its own. So they both come with regular toothpaste. And then this is just like a booster that you can use in between or with your toothpaste. So I'm gonna do the hydrogen peroxide one. I'm just gonna dry my teeth out because I feel like it works so much better when your teeth are dry because it really sticks to your teeth. Guys, a little before, my teeth are still super white, so it's gonna be kind of hard to see. I just take some of this and I don't wet my toothbrush or anything, and then I'll just brush my teeth with this for a minute. Okay guys, so I just washed out my mouth and my teeth are looking like this. It's really hard to tell on camera because my teeth are already really white. This is just to upkeep them. So for the next step, I like to use whitening strips. Usually I use the Crest whitening strips, but I ran out of them and this is what I have in my drawer right now. So this is supposed to be comparable to the 3D whitening strips. I know these can be super expensive sometimes, so I just make sure I use Crest. I don't know why, they just work so good. Like that. And these ones stay honestly really, really great. Stick it on there. Just like that. And now we wait. So I'll be back in 30 minutes. So it's been about an hour since I whitened my teeth. This is what it's looking like. I don't know if you guys can actually see a difference because this is what I like to do just to like upkeep them, so you're not going to really see like a huge change. That was the whole process, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's maintenance vlog. Love how my hair came out, by the way, and I'm debating if I should put more light pieces or if I should do it a different color for the light pieces. I don't know, but loving the change. I just needed something different, something new. But yeah, so this is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want more vlogs like this, like maintenance vlogs, make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe down below and join the family. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.